Hi, my name is Tim Kachani. I am the Director of Platinum Accounting Services Limited and also a Certified Chartered Accountant with the ACCA. I wanted to talk to you today about corporation tax. A lot of people are very confused about corporation tax. How does this work? What's it for? What are the rates? Lots of questions. Okay, so a corporation tax year. Let's start with that. The personal tax year and a corporation tax year, let's get rid of this myth now, are not necessarily the same. A corporation tax period is a maximum of a year and can only be a maximum of a year. So if your period of your accounts is longer than that, then you'll have 2 corporation tax returns. It's just the way it happens. But the way a corporation tax returns is that usually it's to when your year-end accounts go to. So if I started a company on the 1st of April, the year end usually would be March unless I moved it, which means my year for corporation tax would be exactly that. Obviously, if it was a different month I started, it's a different year end. But you get the idea, and really a corporation tax period can end any day of the year, any of 365 days of the year, whereas personal tax is only 1 day in the year and doesn't move for very, very good reasons. A corporation tax, important things to be keeping into account with this is at the moment we are in the tax year 25-26, and in this tax year we have something called marginal relief. Marginal relief, basically, to explain it, means that once your profits, your taxable profits in your business, which aren't the same as your profits, unfortunately, a whole different conversation there, but once your taxable profits go over £50,000, you get into this area of marginal relief, which essentially moves it from 19% up to 25% once you go over 250 grand. And the kind of way it goes up is kind of like this. It's the way the percentiles increase. It's quite complicated the way it gets calculated, but just know essentially if you're earning over £50,000 of profits, then you will be inside that. A lot of people are talking about maybe multiple companies and how that may reduce your corporation tax. Oh, well, I have 10 companies, I have 10 reliefs. No, that's not the way it works. Let's just kill that right now. The answer is no, because you've got the associated companies rules. Underneath the associated companies rules, any company that is underneath common control, whether it's owned by the same people or directly owned underneath a group, will reduce that band. So you've got 10 companies, suddenly your threshold is divided by 10, so it's 5 grand. So not necessarily the greatest idea in the world by any stretch of imagination, unless there's good business reasons for it. But by all means, speak to your accountant to get the best advice. I am obviously very passionate about helping my people actually do better with their businesses. So my clients do contact me about these kind of things quite a lot. If you found this video informative and interesting, please do drop a subscribe on my YouTube, because I do have a lot more content there. Have a look around. You'll probably find something else that'd be relevant and useful to you. Hit a like and put any comments in there for things that you would like me to talk about in the future.